Hello my dear students and welcome back. Once again this is your English teacher Himanshi ma'am. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine, staying at home and have already started revising the previous chapters for your upcoming exams, right? You all have got the information by now that you're going to have online exams and you have to start preparing, you have to start revising, go through the previous chapters, and whenever you face any problem, feel free to send it in the comment box of that particular chapter's video. Okay, coming to the current scenario. So now students, you know we have finished the chapter subject and predicate, which I was teaching to both class 7th and 8th. But now from this video onwards, I am only going to teach the chapter for class 8th. Okay, this chapter is only for class 8, not for class 7. I hope this is all clear to you. Now let us come to the chapter. What are we going to start? Well, from now, since we have come from grammar, we will shift to course book. In the course book, I am going to start a short and easy and simple poem with all my class 8 students. Okay, now one more thing before I start with the chapter, I want to tell you that now with the changing times, the pronunciation of the word poem is also a little different. The old pronunciation poem is not wrong, but nowadays a new kind of pronunciation is going on that is called poem. Okay, so I hope that from now onwards we will try to practice both old pronunciation and new pronunciation. So students, from now onwards we can pronounce poem as well as poem. Okay, so what is the new poem we are going to start? Well, it is titled as The Peddler's Caravan. Let me repeat, I hope the pronunciation is clear. The Peddler's Caravan. This is the poem that we are going to start in class 8. I hope after watching this video lesson, you will open your course books and you will see the poem for yourself. Read the lines, try to find the rhyme scheme. That will be very nice. Next, the poet. Now let's talk about the poet. The poet of this poem is William Brighty Rance. That is the pronunciation. Let me repeat it for you. William Brighty Rance. He was the poet who has written this poem. Now after this, I am going to continue with the beginning, with the starting. In today's video lesson, I am going to introduce this poem basically, and in the following video lessons, we will continue with the discussion and the explanation of the entire poem. So students, as always, pay attention on your screens. Now we begin. English Course Book, Class 8th, Chapter The Peddler's Caravan, Poem. Poet name William Brighty Rance. Please note down all the details in the fair register. So students, let us begin by first learning something about the poet. William was a British poet and writer. He was famous for his poems which he wrote for small children mostly. He was also a master of multiple languages. I have also pasted a picture of the poet on the screen for all the students to see. After this, we will discuss some more details regarding the poem. About the poem. This is a short and easy poem for children. It tells about a speaker who expresses the desire to travel around the world freely like a peddler in his caravan. Now, what is a peddler? A peddler is a person who travels one place to another for selling various items, or you can simply say a traveling salesman. Next, now what is this caravan? A caravan is a vehicle which is equipped with living commodities inside the vehicle like a kitchen, bed and bathroom. So I hope now the title of the poem is clear to all. The rhyme scheme is AABB of all stanzas. In this poem, two poetic devices are used, alliteration and onomatopoeia. Example, basins like a bell is alliteration and Rumble and splash is onomatopoeia. Alliteration means repetition of sound of same syllable in one line, and onomatopoeia means writing the spelling of any word in the same way its sound comes. So students, these are some details I want you all to understand, read, learn and note down. After this, it is time for home assignment number 1. Question. Read the poem in your book and write the rhyme scheme in front of each line, so that you will better understand the rhyme scheme. Next, find the meaning of the following and note down. Next, frame sentence. Next, let's ponder is the back exercise of your chapter. From there, question number B1 ABC part, page number 39. I hope it is clear. Well students, this was all that I wanted to discuss with you. Once again, we have started with a new chapter which is a poem titled The Peddler's Caravan, and the poet is William Brighty Rands. I hope you will re-watch this video again and again and try to catch the correct pronunciation of all these words. In today's video lesson, we have only discussed the introduction of the poem. In the following video lessons, I will continue with the explanation and other important information. Don't forget to do your home assignment timely and in a proper way. And as usual, if you have any problem, what are you going to do? You are going to write your query in the comment box with your name, class and section. That is all for today. I hope you all stay safely and I wish to see you all very soon. But until then, what do you have to do? Click on the like button, share this video and make sure you all are my subscribers. And don't forget to attend the WebEx class always. Okay students, keep revising for your online exams. If you have any query, ask from me. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. See you all.